On a map, it's just a line. But off the map, it becomes a journey, shaped by terrain, history, and the people who came before us. Those lines don't just lead somewhere, they become legends.
Every line we draw on a map becomes a route, and every route we take leads us somewhere unforgettable. A place with a story, a place that becomes a legend. This is Lines to Legends, presented by Onyx Off-Road. In each episode, we choose one destination, mark the route and the waypoints, and share its story. Then, make it available for you to follow, take the same line, drive the same path, and become the legend. We begin by following the route on our map through the busy streets of Mexicali in Baja California, home to more than 1.2 million people. Mexicali became the capital of Baja California in 1915, though the city itself was founded in 1903. Long before modern borders and paved roads, this region was already inhabited by indigenous peoples who live along the Colorado River Delta in the late 1800s. Today, Mexicali is known not only as a gateway between nations, but also for its rich and unexpected culinary identity, especially its legendary Chinese food scene, one of the most unique in all Mexico. From here, we leave the city behind and follow the route south as the map leads us into the vast and unforgiving landscape of Laguna Salada. And we are back at the beautiful Laguna Salada, which is north of Baja. We are on our way to Cañón de Guadalupe for the hot springs. And I've been through this Laguna dry lake numerous times. Today it's wet. There's a lot of mud, so we're just taking it easy. Whenever you're driving on this, make sure other tracks are fresh and there's no potential of getting stuck. Because once you get stuck here, it's going to be very, very difficult to get it out. But everything's going smooth, and we're on our way to the hot springs. There are two paths into Cañón de Guadalupe, and each demands a choice. The first begins at kilometer 28, tied against the mountains, hard-packed, rough, and rattled with washboards. Slower, punishing, but proven. The second crosses the dry lake bed, open, fast, deceptively smooth. One wrong line and you can end up stuck, or miss the turn entirely. Two routes, one hidden oasis. How you arrive is part of the legend. The main legend of El Cañón de Guadalupe in Baja California is really that of a mystical oasis in the desert, famous for its ancient natural hot spring pools once used by the Cucapa people and for its petroglyphs. It is a place of adventure, relaxation, and a lush nature, with palm trees and waterfalls that contrast sharply with the surrounding arid landscape, making it a true natural treasure. The strongest story of Cañón de Guadalupe is that of a hidden paradise, a sacred thermal oasis, and an adventure destination. Tucked deep within a remote canyon, Los Manantiales is a privately owned hot springs oasis originally discovered in 1857 by Señor Guadalupe Loya. The property remains family-run today, cared for by his great-great-son, Mario Loya, who has carefully developed into a primitive camping area that preserves its natural and historical character. The property features 15 individual campsites, each with its own private hot tub. Fed by natural mineral hot springs, the tubs are continuously filled with clean, pure mineral water, making this an ideal stop for all off-roaders looking to unwind after a long day on the trail. Mario is the owner of this beautiful paradise, and I'm going to translate what he says, and the idea is for you guys to know a little bit about this place. It's got a lot of history. Cuéntanos un poquito de este lugar.
Pues mira, este lugar lo descubrió mi bisabuelo a mediados del siglo XIX, fue como en 1857. Él era vaquero y venía del Rosario, de acá del lado de la Baja, y traía el ganado, lo cruzaba por lo que es la parte de la sierra acá donde está Laguna Hanson, por atrás de lo que es el risco este. Todavía existe esa vereda de cuando mi bisabuelo cruzaba por ahí. Mi bisabuelo se llamaba Guadalupe Loya, por eso es que se llama Cañón de Guadalupe. Porque la gente decía, vamos al Cañón de Guadalupe. Y también hay una piedra que tenemos aquí en lo que es el risco, que semeja también a la Virgen de Guadalupe, esa piedra. Entonces mi bisabuelo cruzaba el ganado para Estados Unidos de aquel tiempo. La forma que él descubrió el lugar fue porque le venían unas vacas para acá. Y él fue pues a recogerla, vino a recogerla y miró que estaba el cañón. Y a él le pareció muy buena idea de que cuando pasaba, él llegaba a descansar 2, 3 días. Te digo, con los años ya estaba mi abuelo, ya no estaba mi bisabuelo, estaba mi papá. Y mi papá fue el que compró el Cañón de Guadalupe.
Guys, this place, it's amazing. As you can tell, it's had a lot of history. We can sit down here all day and talk about it. But the idea is for you guys to understand a little bit what's going on here. And this place, I totally recommend it. It's called Los Manantiales, and this is the place that you want to come and visit if you want to have a pool for yourself. I'm marking this waypoint on the Onyx Off-Road app, so you guys can have it, and I'm gonna mark the routes, the right route to take. There's a couple routes. One I don't recommend because you can get stuck, but there's a route that you can take. It's kilometer 28, and I will put all the information here, or somewhere here on the screen for you guys. If you're interested in coming and visit this beautiful place, I totally recommend it. Nestled between the Sierra Juarez and the vast Laguna Salada dry lake, Los Manantiales is a true hidden paradise known mostly by locals. With only 15 camping spots, it's usually busy on weekends, but during the weekdays, it becomes the perfect escape. Whether it's your first stop when entering Baja California or your final destination before heading home, this place has a way of calling you back. Privately owned and gated, Los Manantiales is cared for by the family who owns the land. Camping fees vary depending on the site you reserve, and there are strict rules to preserve the peace. No loud noise and no music is allowed. While you will see drone footage in this video, drones are normally prohibited to protect campers' privacy. I was given a special permission to fly only because it was a weekday and we were the only ones there. We explored just under a mile of the 5-hour hike leading to the 7 waterfalls hidden in the oasis. Perfect for those with a hiker's heart. Higher up in the Sierras, ancient petroglyphs tell stories far older than any trail. Spend a couple of days here to slow down or make this your introduction to Baja. Either way, I promise you'll come back. I hope you enjoyed this series. In every episode, I'll be sharing new locations along the way. That said, not every place I explore will be revealed. Some locations are meant to be protected, not shared, and best discovered on your own. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for watching.